Precise alignment of shingle ends is critical because even small gaps or offsets let water get under the roof and ruin the look and drainage. When replacing asphalt shingles, we should start by working with a flat, clean surface and remove only the damaged pieces to preserve surrounding sealant and nails. Measure and mark the replacement shingle against the row below, using that row as your guide so the exposed tabs line up consistently across the roof. Cut the shingle with a sharp utility knife using a straight edge and score from the top face, then snap downward to avoid ragged edges that catch water. Set the shingle so its butt edge sits flush with the adjacent shingle and maintain the factory gap at the top edge that allows for thermal movement, typically the space created by the exposed tab line. Nail in the same pattern as the existing shingles using roofing nails long enough to penetrate through the shingle and into the roof deck by at least 3/8 of an inch, and place nails just below the adhesive strip without blocking. Sealant contact. Press the tab down and warm it with a hand to help the adhesive bond if the temperature is cool, and then check visually from a distance to ensure a straight reveal line across the field. Common mistakes include cutting replacement shingles too short, so their ends do not meet adjacent shingles, which lets water run behind the course and causes leaks. Fix this by always trimming with the neighboring shingle in place as a template and recheck fit before nailing. Another issue is misplacing nails too high or too low, which can prevent the shingle from sealing or tear the butt edge. Correct this by matching the existing nail line and using consistent placement so the tab can lie flat. A third problem is ignoring the roof slope and drainage pattern, which creates pooling where misalignment diverts water. Solve that by aligning shingle reveals to follow the existing drainage lines and stepping back to view several rows to confirm even flow. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by listing professionals in their area and providing a discussion community where we share real experiences and practical tips about repairs like shingle alignment. We also help contractors find work by connecting them with homeowners who need projects and want to discuss options before hiring.